In this video, we're going to show you something most reviews don't cover. All the advanced settings available on the Philips 5500. Make sure you stay with us because some of these options may surprise you. The first feature is User Profiles. In this section, you can simply choose which profiles you want to have active. For example, if only 2 people in your household use the coffee maker, there's probably no reason to keep all 4 profiles enabled. In case you're wondering how this works, the machine saves the coffee strength and drink volume you selected for each individual recipe. The next time you prepare that same drink, it will automatically remember your preferences under the profile you currently have selected. If someone else wants to use the machine, it's best for them to select a different profile so their preferences are saved separately. The next setting is water hardness. This is normally configured when you first set up the coffee maker. The machine comes with a test strip that you can use to measure the hardness of your tap water. Based on the result, you can select the corresponding level here. Keep in mind that the harder your water is, the more frequently the machine will ask you to run a descaling cycle. The next option controls how long the machine waits before turning off automatically when you don't switch it off manually. The shorter the selected time, the less energy the machine will use. Next, we have the screen brightness. As you can see, there are 3 different levels. I'm not sure how noticeable the difference will be on camera. The maximum brightness is on the right, while the minimum setting is on the left. Honestly, the difference between them isn't very significant. Another option controls the drink button lights. You can choose to have them dim automatically 3 minutes after the machine is turned on, or keep them illuminated at all times. As for the cup lighting, you can also choose whether the machine illuminates the cup only while dispensing a drink, keeps the light on whenever the machine is powered on, or leaves it off at all times. You can also decide whether the machine performs an automatic rinse when it turns on, or only when it turns off. The benefit of enabling the startup rinse is that it helps keep the coffee spout cleaner, and may also help the coffee come out hotter. The downside is that it uses more water and energy. You'll also need to empty the drip tray more frequently. The next setting is probably one of the most useful, the temperature setting. There are 3 available levels, high, medium, and low. I normally keep mine set to high, and I think the temperature is pretty good. The coffee doesn't come out hot enough to burn you, but it is still nice and hot when you drink it. The next option controls the sound you can hear every time I tap a button. You can turn it off, and as you can see, I can now navigate through the menu without hearing a beep every time I press a control. Personally, I prefer to leave it on because it gives me clear confirmation that the machine has registered my input. But this really comes down to personal preference. Next, we have the language settings. As you can see, there's a wide selection of languages available, so most users should have no problem finding the one they need. You can also choose which units of measurement the machine uses to display drink quantities, milliliters or fluid ounces. Finally, we have the machine's usage statistics. Here you can see how many drinks of each type you've prepared. This section also includes the Philips customer support email address and the option to restore the machine to its original factory settings. And those are all the advanced settings available on the Philips 5500. We hope this video has helped answer your questions about the different settings and customization options available on this coffee maker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.